bring out the little tuner can and my shifter, you know, and then I gotta use the clutch right here, you know. And I got gas pedal. I'll go and give her what she got there.